Very good evening students and welcome to BYJU'S exam prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all of the exam. I welcome you all to this session students. Very good evening, good afternoon everyone. So in this top ranker series we are preparing for CLAT 2025 exam and we are preparing for all of the sections in the CLAT exam, and I am taking your quantitative aptitude, data interpretation and logical reasoning. So in quantitative aptitude today we will be revising student the concept of ratio and proportion, right? We have done some basic types of this chapter earlier, and today we will be doing some more important and next level question of this chapter. Chaliye, let's begin with the topic ratio and proportion. First question: a mixture contains sugar solution and colored water, right? So the ratio is 4:3. So sugar is 4 parts and water is 3 parts. So we can say that in this mixture water is 3 part out of 7. If 10 liters of colored water is added to the mixture, now 10 liters of water is added to the mixture. Which water? Only water, right? So whole 1 part is water. The ratio of the mixture now becomes 4:5. Means now the content of water is 5 part out of 4 plus 5, 9. So I am attempting this question by the rule of alligation and mixture, right? Diagonally subtract the values. 1 minus 5 by 9 and 5 by 9 minus 3 by 7, right? What will be the values? We'll get 4 by 9 here and 35 minus 27 over 63. So this is cancelled. 7 into 4, 28, right? And this is 8. So 4 into 7, 4 into 2. It means 2 parts of mixture and 2 parts of water and 7 parts of the mixture was taken, right? Now this 2 parts is a students 10 liters. This 2 part is 10 liters, means into 5. So this 5 parts will be into 5, 35 liters. It means this mixture was 35 liters. The question is the initial quantity of sugar solution in the mixture. In this 35 liters, the content was in the ratio 4:7. So sugar solution was 4 by 7 of 35, which means 20 liters. So initially the sugar solution was 20 liters, right? 20 liters. So a good question. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than the third number. Let's say the third number be 100. So first number is how much more? It is 20% more, right? So 120. And second number is 50% more. It means 150. What is the ratio of first two numbers? So ratio of first and second will be 120 is to 15, that is 12 is to 15. So 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 4:5 is the ratio of the two numbers. The ratio of boys and girls who participated in a dance competition is 4:5. It means boys to girls. Boys are 4x and girls are 5x. 45% of the girls are selected. Means 45% of this 5x are selected. The number of girls who are not selected is 176. Means 55% of 5x is 176. 11 into 5, 11 into 1, 11 into 6. So 25x equals to 16 into 100. So x is 64. It means this value of x is 64. The question is, what is the total number of students who participated? Total is 4x plus 5x, that is 9x, where x is 64. 9 into 4, 36, carry 3, 54 and 3, 57. So 576 is the total number of candidates. X plus 2, x minus 1, 4 and 3 are in proportion. Student, let me tell you the rule. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then the ratio of A by B and C by D is always same. So we will say that x plus 2 over x minus 1 is 4 by 3. 3x plus 6 is equals to 4x minus 4. So x is 10. What is the mean proportion of x and 4x? Now rule number 2. Mean proportion of A and B is under root of AB. So mean proportion of x and 4x is under root 4x square, where x is 10. So 4 into 100, 400. Root 400 is the students 20. So answer will be B part 20. Right? So this is based on the concept of proportion. The ratio of men to women in a group is 5:2. Means men are 5x, women are 2x. 6 men and 6 women left the group, means now men are 5x minus 6, women are 2x minus 6. The ratio is now 8 by 3. So we can say that 15x minus 18 equals to 16x minus 48. So 30 is x. X is 30. Total number of people. Total are 7x. Total are 7x. Now x is 30. So total is 210. This one was simple. A simple concept of ratio. There are 3 batches in a school. In the ratio 2:3:5. So batch 1, batch 2, batch 3 will have 2x, 3x and 5x number of students. If each batch is increased with 20 students, means this is earlier, initial, right? And after increase, first, second and third will become 2x plus 20, 3x plus 20, 5x plus 20, and the ratio after increment is 4:5:7. So can we say that the ratio of first two, 2x plus 20 and 3x plus 20 is 4 by 5. So 10x plus 100 is equals to 12x plus 80. So 20 is equals to 2x, x is 10, right? Total number of students before increase. So total is 5 and 5, 10x, where x is 10, right? So total before increase is 10x, where x is 10. So answer is 100. A part. The average price of 3 items is 14,265. This is the average price. And the 3 prices are in the ratio 7:9:11. So we can say that the 3 prices are 7x, 9x, and third price will be 11x. Their average is 14,265. Student, when the prices are having the same difference, then the value which lie in between is always the average. So 9x will be the average. So x will be 14,265 by 9. 9 one time 9. 9 into 5, 85. 1585 will be the value of X. The question is, what is the costliest item? The costliest item is of rupees 11x, where X is 1585. Now multiply it, you will get 14,435 as the value of the costliest item. So answer is A part. Three numbers are in the ratio 235. The sum of their squares is 432. So three numbers A, B, C are in the ratio, let's say 235. So A will be 2x, B will be 3x, C will be 5x. Sum of their squares, A square plus B square plus C square is 242, meaning 4x square, 9x square, 25x square is 342. So 9 4 13, तो 38x square 342, x square 342 by 38, right? So 2 into 19, 2 into 1, 2 into 7, 2 into 2, right? So we need to find what is the value of x here, so that we can find the sum of the three numbers, right? Here we have x square equals to 342 divided by 38, right? So 342 divided by 38 and cancel this out, and this is 19 into 9, right? So x square is 9, so x is 3. Sum of three numbers is A plus B plus C, that is 10x, where x is 3, gives the sum 30. So answer is, students, C part. The ratio of the numbers are given to us here, right? This is a very important type. In this type we will learn how to convert the different ratios into a continued ratio. See, the first ratio is x and y, second is y is to z, third is z is to t. Further t and x are repeated, so we will not take them again. First is x is to y, this is 1 is to 3. Write this ratio in the first row and complete the first row by this last number. मीन 3 के बाद जितनी भी जगह खाली है उसको 3 से फिल कर दो. Second row is 5 is to k. This is the ratio of y and z. So write below y and z. After k जितनी places empty हैं by k, before 5 जितनी places empty हैं by 5 fill करें. zt is 2 is to 5. Before 2 the number of places is to be filled by 2. All are completed. Now multiply each column. 10, 15 into 2, 30, 6k, 15k. This is the continued ratio of x, y, z and t. Now they say that t by x is 3 by 4. How much is t? 15k. How much is x? It is 10. So k will be 3 into 10 upon 4 into 15. 3 into 5, 5 into 2, 2 into 2. So k is 1 by 2. Value of k is 1 by 2. Right? A good question. The total number of 3 different colored pens in a box is 91. Let the 3 colored pen be. Okay, let me take the color pen by their name itself. They are red in color, green in color and blue in color. R, G, B. Total pens are 91. The ratio of red color to green color. Red to green is 5 by 2. And the number of green pen are 33 1 by 3% of blue pen. Student, 33 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. So G by B is 1 by 3. If I multiply it by 2, this is 2 by 6. So G by B is 2 by 6. Now the number of G is same, 2, 2. So we can say that RGB is in the ratio 5 is to 2 is to 6. What is the difference between the colored red color and green color pen? Okay. Now the total number of pen are 91. So 7 and 6, 13. 13 unit is 91. So 1 unit is 7. How much is the difference between red and green? Red and green is having a difference of 3 units. Red and green is having a difference of 3 units. And how much is 1 unit? 1 unit is 7. So 3 units will be 21. Right? 3 units will be 21. So there are 21 pen having the difference of red and green color pen. Right? So again a good question where we have percentages, comparison, ratio, sum, difference, everything. स्टूडेंट अभी हमने परफॉर्म किया रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन का एक सिंपल सा कंसेप्चुअल क्लास. इस क्लास का करेंगे अब एक काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेशन ऑन 4:15 टुडे इटसेल्फ. आज करेंगे राइट 4:15 बजे ऑन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ बायजूस. सो बी विद मी देयर राइट. अभी आप लोग अगर आप लोगों ने डाउनलोड नहीं किया हुआ बायजूस का एप्लीकेशन जल्दी से डाउनलोड कर लें. क्लास को एक बार रिकॉल कर लें जो भी मैंने कराया है और इसका करेंगे प्रैक्टिस सेशन आज 4:15 पर. जल्दी से जुड़ जाएं मेरे साथ फॉर रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन ऑन द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ बायजूस. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग स्टूडेंट्स. टेक केयर. बाय.